Hello everyone. In this video I want to share with everyone a unique and effective way to grow cucumbers at home. Use these thin plastic cups as molds to grow seeds, and after just 1 week you will have such healthy, green young plants. Instead of having a large garden for gardening, we use styrofoam containers to make planting beds. This method helps you not need a large garden but can still grow melons at home with limited space but produce many fruits. This plastic cup with many holes in the shell will be the place to create nutrients for the plants. If you use these thin plastic cups as seed sowing molds, later when separating the seedlings from the cups for planting, it will be easy and will not damage the roots. Weeks, 3 weeks. If you use bananas as fertilizer for melon plants, when you eat the melon later, it will be sweet and delicious. Four weeks later. 1 month later. Combine our artificial pollination methods to improve pollination efficiency for melon plants through coordination between growers and bees in the flower pollination process. This is the result after 45 days of applying this growing method in your yard. Fresh, delicious green melons, carefully cared for 45 days, you can now harvest and enjoy their unique flavor. Use fertilizer from ripe bananas to add sweetness. Not only that, you can also grow them right in your yard with this simple method. Thank you for visiting my agricultural channel. Hopefully the video will bring joy to those who want to grow and care for melon plants at home. If you find it interesting, please subscribe to the channel to receive the next videos. See you again in upcoming videos. Goodbye.